अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप? खैरियत से हैं? ठीक हैं? आज फ़ाइनल ईयर प्रोजेक्ट की पोस्टर प्रेजेंटेशन है। तमाम बीएस स्टूडेंट्स जो मैथमेटिक्स के हैं वो आज अपने काम को प्रेजेंट करेंगे इवैल्यूएटर्स के सामने, और अपना काम जो है बाकी स्टूडेंट्स को भी प्रेजेंट कर रहे होंगे। तो अभी जाके उसको मैं कवर करता हूँ। मैं इसका व्लॉग अलग से बनाऊँगा और जो स्टूडेंट्स की प्रेजेंटेशंस हैं वो मैं आपसे अलग से शेयर करूँगा। तो अभी हम चलते हैं SMME की बिल्डिंग में, जहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स ने पोस्टर लगाए हुए हैं। यहाँ सिर्फ मैं आपको बता दूँ जाने से पहले कि इसको ओपन हाउस हम कहते हैं। ये सारे प्रोजेक्ट हैं स्टूडेंट्स के। आपने या तो इंटरव्यू पहले देख लिए होंगे या बाद में देखे होंगे, ये सब आप देख सकते हैं। वो सामने एवेलुएटर्स हैं, एक कायद आज़म यूनिवर्सिटी से हैं और एक इस्लामिक यूनिवर्सिटी से हैं। अभी यहाँ पर SMME सेमिनार हॉल में आए हैं। ये सामने एवेलुएशंस हो रही हैं, ये एक्सटर्नल थे।
In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Good noon, ladies and gentlemen. I am your host, Noor Fatma, and I would like to welcome all of you to the closing ceremony of the Mathematics Department Final Year Project Open House. I extend a warm welcome to all of our esteemed guests, faculty members, fellow students, and of course our talented final year students who have worked tirelessly on their projects. The purpose of organizing a final year project open house is to offer the graduating students a platform to present and demonstrate their innovative ideas and projects before a group of esteemed professionals, allowing them to gain invaluable experience. Now, without any further delay, let us begin the ceremony with the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Mathematics serves as the foundational language of logical reasoning and systematic problem solving, enabling the deep insights into both mundane and complex phenomena across the universe. This discipline integrates various branches including algebra, geometry, calculus, and statistics, which collectively equip scholars and professionals with the analytical tools necessary for the advancements in science, engineering, economics, and a multitude of other fields. Today, we have gathered to celebrate this very essence of the mathematics. Now, to formally welcome you all and share the vision behind today's event, I would like to invite Professor Mujibur Rahman, Head of Department of Mathematics, to the stage for the welcome remarks. Please welcome him with a warm round of applause.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the BS mathematics students who are.
Now moving on to one of the most awaited moments of today's event, the certificate distribution ceremony for our brilliant winners. It's time to recognize the hard work, creativity, and mathematical excellence shown by our students. And to do the honors, it is a great privilege for us to have a very esteemed guest, Professor Dr. Tayyab Kamran from Quaid-e-Azam University, who is a very respected figure in the field of pure mathematics. His research work spans across algebra, K-theory, functional analysis, fixed point theory, and approximation theory, areas that form the backbone of the advanced mathematical understanding. He is deeply admired not only for his extensive academic contributions but also for the impact his work continues to have over the mathematical community. Sir, it is truly an honor to have you with us today. We kindly invite you to please come forward and begin the certificate distribution ceremony. Announce this year's runner-up of the open house. And I would now like to invite Mr. Hassan Amin to please kindly come forward and take your certificate. Now I would like to announce the winner of today's event, and I would request Mr. Rashid Mubashir Talha to please come on stage and receive this well-deserved recognition for your outstanding project. Congratulations to both of the students and their supervisors for their dedication and hard work. Now for the certificate distribution to our hardworking organizers, I would like to invite Ms. Noor Fatma from BS Mathematics to please kindly come forward and take your certificate. Okay, thank you, sir.
इस तरफ है
Ms. Samia Azhar, BS Mathematics, please kindly come forward and receive your certificate. Rana Sharjeel, BS Mathematics. Azka Irfan, BS Mathematics. Thank you so much, sir. Now we move on to the shield presentation ceremony, and to do the honors, I would like to invite Professor Mujibur Rahman, the Head of Department of Mathematics, School of Natural Sciences, to please kindly come forward. Firstly, I would request you, sir, to present the shield to Professor Dr. Tayyab Kamran in recognition of his valuable presence and contribution today. Next, I would ask you, sir, to kindly present the shield to Professor Dr. Muhammad Sajid as a gesture of our heartfelt thanks for gracing this event with his presence.